Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1970 Pontiac GTO. This is a PHS Documented True Judge, guys. This is the real deal. I bought this car, as a matter of fact, I bought 4 cars out of a huge, very impressive car collection. Because of that, like when I've done this before, this guy had a ton of cars, guys, probably 300 cars. So some of the details, you just can't remember stuff. I'm going to do the best I can to kind of fill that stuff in for you. But like I say, it is a true PHS documented GTO, factory Cardinal red car. It does not have the matching numbers engine in it, but they built it to the 366 horse specs. You'll hear the cam and everything in it. Really nice car. It is a Rotisserie Restored car. I'm going to nitpick it, the things that I've seen on it. It's got the original T3 headlights, but you can see the buckets are blemished a little bit. We missed some water spots there. There's a couple, little blemishes in the hood that have been touched up. I'm sorry, not the hood, in the front bumper. You can see that. There's a little crack there, but still very, very nice. Again, he didn't know exactly when the car was restored. I'm going to guess this car, there's no miles on this car though, I'll bet. I did talk to his guy today. They changed all the oils and the fluids on these cars for me, and he said they would get the cars out and drive them down the road every now and then. So they have driven it. My son actually drove this car. It's a 45-minute drive to his place, and he drove it back on the expressway. So we know this car hits the road. Like I say, he had it at 75 miles an hour rolling down the expressway. Really slick paint. There's not a whole lot you're going to really nitpick in there. Sorry, it's just a little dust. And I'm rushing the guys here because we posted a little video on this car, and of course everybody went nuts. So I'm trying to get it posted as fast as I can. Looks like it's got the original panels on the car. Again, he didn't know. I'm going to guess this is a 12, 15-year-old restoration. It's showing 54,000, I think, on the odometer. He really didn't know if that was original. I think by looking at the interior, it's probably the right miles, because I think it's got the original interior in it. BF Goodrich Radial T all the way around it. It's got the 15-inch PMD Rally 2s with the PMD caps and everything. I'd say they did this getting it out for us. That looks like a little mark in the door. I'm going to get some touch-up paint for that. Of course, front disc brake car. Really slick car. Again, I've already checked all the numbers. I'm going to post all the numbers in the ad. It's a 69 400 block. It's got a Quadrajet, but it's the wrong year for the 4-barrel. It does have the correct intake and heads on it, and it's got I think they're Ram Air exhaust manifolds, but I don't think they're the right year as far as the exhaust manifolds on it. Manual steering. It's power disc brakes. Got the chrome air cleaner and valve covers. And like I said, when you look underneath this thing, it just doesn't look like there's any miles on it. Chrome mirrors. Those look like the original door handles. That's what I say, there's some things that lead me to believe that the miles are right. Door seams are clean. Again, a little bit of fading in the carpet down here. makes sense to what the miles are. But I think this interior is original. Definitely got new sill plates. I'd say the carpet's new. But those seats don't look like they've been changed. Headliner looks good. Factory bucket seats. It's got the Hurst shifter. Stock wheel. Yeah, 54,980. And like I say, if you look at the car, I guess it's right. They put an aftermarket sound system in it, which Nathan said that's the only thing. He said all the lights and stuff were working, but he doesn't think he could get the radio to come on. Dual exhaust. It is a 12 bolt 355 safety track rear axle. It, like I say, looks like it's got all the original panels on it. This does not want, kind of wants to stay up, but doesn't want to fully stay up. Everything opens and closes real nice. Like I say, really nice underneath here. And I really didn't have, I don't want my guys really detailing on these cars a whole lot. I'm going to kind of leave them alone so you kind of see, you know, because to me, like I say, they look like cars that have been very well maintained, but they've definitely been sitting. And I've got the new Pontiac rubber mats. The rubber mats, not the carpeted mats. I don't like carpeted mats in manual shift cars. Oh, that little thing. That goes in the bottom of the air cleaner there. The car runs out great, hits the road great, shifts good. Getting good sound. Gauges are off. Well, it really only has that one gauge in there, and then the tach works. Couldn't get it on, the blower motor worked, anything, just the radio couldn't get to come on, so we'll pick at it. It's got the ram air pull underneath the dash too. Wipers are functional. Oh, we might have a headlight out. Yep, we got to check that one on the outside. And again, it's been sitting, so we may wiggle it, it'll work. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.